If you end up liking this video, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that each time we publish a video, you will get notified. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is the Vice President and Prime Minister of United Arab Emirates and ruler of Emirate of Dubai. He was born on 15th of July 1949 in Sindhaga Historic District, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. His net worth is estimated around $4.5 billion, around 34,000 crore rupees in India. Business career. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum has been responsible for the creation and growth of a number of businesses and economic assets of Dubai, with a number held by two companies under his ownership, Dubai World and Dubai Holding. Some of the mega projects of Dubai World and Dubai Holding are Al Maktoum International Airport. Al Maktoum International Airport, also known as Dubai World Central, is an international airport in Jebel Ali, United Arab Emirates, that opened on 27th of June 2010. Dubai Land. Dubai Land is an entertainment complex being built in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. When announced in 2003, it was one of the most ambitious leisure developments ever proposed anywhere in the world, costing around $64.3 billion. Personal life. Sheikh Mohammed has 30 children from different wives. His first marriage was to his first cousin, Sheikha Hind bin Maktoum bin Juma Al Maktoum, a member of Dubai's ruling family by birth, whom he married in 1979. She is the first lady of Dubai and the mother of 12 of Sheikh Mohammed's children, including his higher designate Hamdan bin Mohammed Al Maktoum. Sheikh Mohammed is a major figure in international thoroughbred horse racing and breeding. He owns a Darley stud, the biggest horse breeding operation in the world, with farms in United States, Ireland, England and Australia. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum owns the yacht Dubai, built by the German company Blom Plus Voss car collection. The Sheikh's mind-boggling collection of 100 cars includes some of the best-known vehicles like Maybach, Ferrari, Rolls-Royces, Mercedes and Lamborghinis. Let's have a look at his most commonly used vehicles. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz G-Class AMG G63. The cost of the car starts from 2.2 crore rupees in India. It offers a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine which produces 544 bhp of power and 561 Nm of torque. It goes from 0 to 100 km in 4.3 seconds with a top speed of 240 km per hour and offers a mileage of 8.5 km per liter. Number 2. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. Although this car is not available in India, but the cost of the car starts from 35 crore rupees in Indian currency. It offers a 4.7-liter Koenigsegg twin supercharged V8 engine which produces 806 bhp of horsepower and 1080 Nm of torque. It goes from 0 to 100 km in 2.9 seconds with a top speed of 410 km per hour. Chevrolet Suburban and custom-made Mercedes limousine are also commonly used by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum.